Hi, good evening, everyone. Um, I sent you that picture so you can see that reaping season is here. It was in progress and it went through trimming. I was cutting the trees because I believe that the trees need to breathe so that um, the tree can bear fruit that humans can consume. And as you can see there, now I'm going to read you the scriptures that God gave me a couple of days ago in the book of Isaiah when I wake up one morning last week, and this was so amazing. The book of Isaiah 51 verse from 21 to verse 23. Therefore, please hear this, you afflicted and drunk, but not with wine. Thus said your Master God and your Creator, who pleads the cause of his people. See, I shall take out of your hand the cup of healing, the dregs of the cup of my wrath. Never again shall you drink it. And I shall put it into the hand of those who afflict you, who have said to your being, bow down, and we pass over you, and you made your back like the ground, and as the street to walk over. Many of us can relate to that kind of treatment. Many of us can relate to the things that we went through, and God is ending that. That lifestyle is ending. I was sitting the other end and I was thinking about the song of Sam Cooke. It's been a long time. Jesus, when I heard that song and I went to go look and I see that song did come out in the year 1967 or 1965. And I was thinking, I was so sad, thinking, this was a very, very long walk to freedom. I want to give you the other scripture also in the book of Isaiah 52, verse 12. For you shall not come out in haste, nor go in flight, for the Most High is going before you, and God of his people is your rear guard. So you will be our front and you will be our back.